Hi, boys and girls. This week is a different kind of week because we are reviewing things that we've already been working on. We're taking tests in reading and math, and so we're not going to have a bunch of videos for you to watch this week. You are watching this probably just one time during the week of October 19th through the 22nd. And I'm just going to go through everything that you're going to be working on this week. And you can do it either today or tomorrow, depending on, or you do some of it today, some of it tomorrow. And you'll be taking tests, like I said, in reading and math. If you are an e-learner, you will have more work that was sent home with you that there's not going to be videos on, okay? So for everybody, including e-learners, these are the things you're going to be doing at home. And most of it you're going to be doing on your own, okay? One of them is reading this book, Cliff Has a Plan, that has some blends in it. So we want you practicing this book. It's pretty easy. It has the blends. So this is important for you to be reading and practicing saying those words. And if you read it on your own, then you can write it. Someone can write it in your read reading folder, your independent reading log, so that you can get 150 books. You have that book and this book, Snap, Skip, Trot. Again, this has some blends in it. S blends. Reading, Snap, Skip, Trot. Practicing, becoming a good reader. So these are two things we want you to do this week. Okay? The other thing for this week is a short I mystery picture. It gives the directions here, but you're going to color whatever color each square that has a short I word in it, an I word. And so you're going to go along until you find a word that has short I, color it, and then follow along and keep going. It's going to make a picture. It's going to make a mystery picture. When you figure out, and after you have it all colored, then you write here at the bottom what the mystery picture is. This you might need help spelling. The rest of it you should be able to do on your own. Okay? So that's the next thing you're going to do. Well, you can do these in any order. Another thing you're going to do, this has two sides, okay? You are going to read this, drop the mop. It has short O words in it. Drop the mop. And then you're going to answer these questions. What did your mom say? From the story. What did the cop have? And who wanted the cop's pop? So, if you're working on this later and you can't remember what the questions are, you can come back to this video because I just read them and I'll read them again. What did your mom say? What did the cop have? Who wanted the cop's pop? So you read it and really thinking about those op words like we've talked about, answering those questions. This one is short A, get that rat. So you're going to read this story 1, 2, 3 times. When you read it once, you put an X or a check or color in the box. You read it a second time, you check, X, color in the box. You read it a third time, you do the same thing. Then you're using these colors here. And instead of writing out the answers, you're going to go back up in the story and you're going to color where you found the answers. Okay. Who saw a rat? With your red, you're going to go up here and color the answer. Who did I call? You're going to color the answer with blue. Again, if you wanted to, you could stop the video, and since I'm reading the questions. Who will get the rat? You're going to color that answer pink up here. Where did the rat go? With yellow. And who got the rat? With green. So that's this page. Okay? This one you're writing out the answers. This one you're coloring the answers. Okay? The next is this. Remember we did this for our spelling a couple weeks ago. You're spelling this word dog, D-O-G, and log, L-O-G. Writing it there, here, and here. Then reading these words, writing this sentence, and they gave you 2 lines because it's kind of a long sentence. The fox had to hop on the box. Then you're circling the pictures that have that ah sound, the short O sound. So that's this page. The same thing on this page, but with short I. So you're spelling p-ig, l-ip. Reading these words, writing out this sentence, the sick kid bit the pill. That sounds kind of gross. And circling the pictures that have short I, the I. Okay? So far so good, I hope. Again, you have 2 days to do all this. Okay? 2 days. Okay, this next one is another reading and answering the question. So reading this, then what color is Jill's hat? And you're filling in. Is her hat big or small? And you fill it in. And then, do you think Jill likes to play baseball? Why or why not? So you're going to say either yes, and it has the word because. That's good, because that's a hard word to spell. Yes, because, and you're going to finish. Or no, because, and you're going to finish. So that's that side. This side is easy. You are coloring, see, maybe it's Jill from the other side. She has all sorts of words in her, on her clothes, her hat, her bat, and it tells you what color to color those words. See, look, her, can. Her is kind of a hard one. Then you're using these words, bat, ball, hat, to put in the sentences. Jill swings the her is red. She hits the Easy. This part might be a little tricky. You are unscrambling these words and writing them on the bottom like we did with our spelling words. Unscrambling. Okay, so that's that side. Almost done. Again, you can come back and watch this video when you do your work and pause it. Okay? The last one, almost the last, almost, is this. This will be easy. Here are all of our words for this that we've been talking about for the past 5 weeks. You are writing these words in these boxes. So for Unit 1, does, not, school, what. Down, out, up, very. Be, come, good, pull. Fun, make, they, to. And jump, move, run, to. This is number word to. This means also. Okay, so that's that one. Those are all of the reading things that we were doing this week. Just checking to make sure I talked about all of them. Then math for this week. So there's not going to be any math videos because math we're taking a test and we're working on this. So you can do this side one day and this side one day. Okay? Again, I know I kind of went through a lot and I did it kind of quickly. So remember, you can always watch this video, pause it. If you didn't remember what you're supposed to do, you have 2 days to do all that work. Unless you are at home as an e-learner, then you have a little more stuff that we are doing at school too, okay? So there aren't going to be any other videos to watch this week besides me, so I hope you don't mind. You're not going to see the other teachers. Sorry. Have a good week. Good luck on your test. Oh, there's no spelling. No spelling this week. Just this. Just this stuff and the tests and math tests, so no spelling. So that's good. One less thing. Okay, I will see you guys later. Bye.